Hello, darlings. So, today I'm gonna teach you how to bully a Somali dude. We all know Somali guys are so nice in the real world, but 99% of them are douchebags on the internet. I don't know why. Is it the whole internet fascination thing? Is internet new to them? I don't know what it is. But I'm gonna teach you how to defend yourself against anyone who bullies you on the internet, especially a Somali guy, since you have a higher chance of being bullied by a Somali guy if you're a Somali girl. Okay? Excuse me, what do I freaking know who you is? Shoot, for shizzle my nizzle, do you know this is my zizzle? Get out of my way, cause I'm gonna punch you in the head, I'm gonna you, and I'm gonna slap you, and I'm gonna send you all the way back to Somalia. Send for shizzle. Who do you think I is? Huh? Huh? My name is Sizzle for shizzle my nizzle. I get down like that. Let's take this outside. Let's take this outside, nigga. Shit. Yeah, I'm the shit for shizzle my nizzle. You don't know who you're messing with. Oh yeah? Bring it on, Negro. Bring it on. Shoot. Ooh, no. For shizzle. Send. Now he's gonna be really scared because you're this tough girl. Ugh, so tough. He's like totally intimidated, so scared. Of course, he will be threatened by you because you're just so fabulous. But anyways, boys, be nice, okay? Yeah, adios.